How's it going, folks? I got me a loco crawfish boil burner thing. Anyway, it came with the pot that's on top, but I ended up buying a 32 quart pot before I bought the burner. Didn't think to do any measurements. And of course I've had to do some modifications. I had to trim out the corners where the legs are to get the pot to fit. Normally not a bad thing, except for when you pay, $70 for it and then have to modify it. It's kind of disappointing. But it seems to be working. It's a jet type. I don't know if you can see that in there. I know if I turn it up, it's loud as all get out. Back down to a normal level. I'm still learning how to use it. You'd think it'd be as simple as a stove, but I don't know how much propane the stupid thing uses. But right there I have the pot filled with water and stuck on top because it came with a strainer basket and everything. So I got my turkey in there and I'm steaming the turkey. And then I'm going to rip off the meat and can it. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. And yeah, ignore all the garbage and stuff. This is real life. No editing needed. So, yeah, I broke one of the welds on the thing that holds the pot, the little legs, but I got the other three, and then the fact that the pot is about as big as the frame ain't a big deal. I'll have to figure out a way to weld it. I don't have a welder of my own. I need to get one, but I'm playing a little bit of catch up because other than a bug out bag, I didn't have any other items because, well, if you move a lot, it's hard to drag that stuff around. So that is the unfortunate thing about being a prepper, is you need to try to stay stable. If not, then maybe freeze-dried food and other things like that, lightweight, things that are easy, small, things that can be moved easily. So, I hope to stay where I am for many years to come. Alright, people.